5 years from now, you're either celebrating the fact that you became someone you used to only dream about, or you're staring at yourself thinking, well, nothing's changed except my back hurts more. And the wild part? That future version of you is built on one tiny decision you keep making every single morning. Not a life coach, not a shiny app, not some viral productivity hack. Just a boring, ordinary choice that either upgrades your life or keeps you stuck. Here's how most people blow it. The alarm goes off, they smack snooze, and they tell themselves those 10 extra minutes will change everything. Spoiler, they don't. All snooze does is steal the sharpest mental energy you'll have all day and dump it in the trash. Science already proved it. Your brain fires on all cylinders right after you wake up. That's your cheat code. But instead of using it, most people burn it on memes, shopping carts full of junk they'll never buy, or arguing with strangers online. Meanwhile, the people you admire, they're not superheroes. They're not meditating under waterfalls or chanting affirmations with monks. They're just awake. They've figured out the morning hours are free real estate, quiet, uninterrupted, distraction-free, no texts, no drama, no chaos, just pure focus. That's why they get ahead. Not because they're smarter, but because they're using the window most people waste. And before you roll your eyes and say, but I hate mornings, relax. Nobody actually enjoys their alarm clock. You think successful people leap out of bed grinning like Disney characters? Number. They drag themselves up just like you do. The difference is they don't negotiate with themselves. They don't hand their best brain power to TikTok, then wonder why they're tired, behind, and stressed all day. Here's what I need you to understand. The first hour after waking isn't just morning, it's launch mode. Your brain is loaded with chemicals designed to wake you up and focus. If you channel that, you build momentum. If you waste it, you cement distraction into your day. Think of your brain like wet cement. Whatever hits it first sticks. Feed it chaos, you stay chaotic. Feed it clarity, you grow. So what do you actually do? I'll give it to you straight. Step 1, water. And not a dainty sip. I mean drink like your brain's been stranded in the desert. Step 2, move, stretch, push-ups, walk around whatever tells your body, hey, we're alive. Step 3, pick one target for the day. Not a novel, not a bucket list. One thing you'll actually complete. Step 4, learn. Read a few pages, watch something useful, listen to someone smarter than you. Step 5, protect this hour like it's your child. No messages, no notifications, no scrolling. Guard it. Do this consistently, and you'll notice something wild. You stop being the person who talks about change and start being the person who actually changes. You start stacking wins every single morning. That's not motivation. That's identity. Every choice you make is a vote. Snooze votes for comfort. Action votes for the future. Do the math. 1 hour a day adds up to 15 full days of pure growth every year. Stretch that over 5 years, and you've practically built a second life while everyone else is stuck in reruns. And here's the real kicker. You won't feel it right away. Tomorrow will look the same. Next week too. But stick with it for 90 days, and one morning, you'll look in the mirror and see someone you barely recognize. Someone disciplined. Someone focused. Someone who isn't waiting for life to happen, but actually shaping it. Of course, the easy option is still there. You can snooze, waste your sharpest brain power, and scroll yourself into another year of regret. But don't lie to yourself. You know exactly where that leads. The next 5 years are coming whether you like it or not. The only question is, will you be the one building your story, or will you be binge-watching someone else's? The alarm clock is ringing. What happens next is up to you.